Hello everyone and welcome back after our break to our weekly technical outlook. And this week we are going to have focus on the US 30, that we have the US core PCE index and GDP data. We have also from Eurozone preliminary CPIs from France, Germany and Italy, and also the Tokyo CPI from Japan. Also, we had some Powell's comments on Friday that drove the market to a new all-time high from US 30, that we may have a rate cut in September's Fed meeting. So starting from US 30, we can see that after the new all-time high around the 45,763.25, the market is retreating somewhat with the potential to have a downside correction and maybe meeting the first support around the 45,280. A break of this zone, it may challenge again this uptrend line here and even lower the support at 44,600, which overlaps with the 20-day SMA. Slightly lower, the 50-day SMA at 44,200. It may also attract traders' attention, but more importantly, the 200-day SMA around the 43,000. It may be the next strong support for investors. On the other hand, if there is a rally, the price, it may meet the next round number of 46,000 and even higher, the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level at 46,750. 10 can from this down leg here from the peak back in March 26 to the lows in April 10th. So if the market also breaks this peak, then the next round number of 47,000, it may attract attention for traders. Having a look at the technical oscillators, the stochastic is still pointing upwards and is trying to enter into the overbought region. However, we can see that the RSI is weakening, its momentum is ticking lower. It failed to cross above the 70 level, so it's mirroring this latest downward movement in the market. Having a look at the euro and dollar, that we have the CPIs from countries in the Eurozone, we can see that it failed to remain above the 1.17 region. It's currently flirting with this downtrend line, and it may also move lower, hitting the 50 and the 20-day SMAs around the 1.1650 and 1.1615 respectively, ahead of the 1.1519 support level, which overlaps with this long-term ascending trend line. Breaking this level, the price, it may meet the 100-day SMA at 1.1485 and even lower the next barrier at 1.1370. So the outlook in the short term is bearish at the moment, but in the longer term is bullish. So any movements above the 1.1790 and more importantly above the almost 4-year high at 1.1830, it may take the price until the 1.19 round number, which is taken from August of 2021, ahead of the 200 monthly SMA at 1.20. The RSI is pointing downwards above the neutral threshold of 50. The stochastic is still pointing upwards, so the 1.1730 region will be very important to clear the next directional movement in the euro and dollar. And finally, having a look at dollar yen, that we can see that is moving horizontally over the last 3 weeks within the 146.60 to 148.50 resistance level, but it remains above this medium-term uptrend line. A break above the 200-day SMA and the 50% Fibonacci at 149.40, taken from the downside correction from 158.86 to 139.85. It may send traders towards 150.95 and the 61.8% Fibonacci at 151.65, and will endorse the bullish view. In the negative scenario, a break below the strong support at 146.60, and the price, it may reclaim the 145.70 and the 23.6% Fibo at 144.35. Now the stochastic is hitting downwards, the RSI is trying to cross above the 50 level, but as we can see over the last 3 weeks, it's also moving horizontally near the 50 region, so it's weakening its momentum and is waiting for to boost the market for more important movements to have a clearer picture. So for now, dollar yen is holding within this consolidation area. It will be important to see if the market will break the 50% FIBO around 149.40 area. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.